Once upon a time, there were two siblings named Jack and Emily who loved exploring the world around them. They often went on adventures in their backyard, climbing trees and playing hide-and-seek. One day, as they were playing, they noticed a strange treehouse that they had never seen before. It was tall and made of wood, with a rope ladder leading up to it. Curious, Jack and Emily climbed up the ladder and stepped inside the treehouse. As soon as they entered, they felt a strange sensation, like they were being lifted off the ground. Suddenly, the treehouse started to spin, faster and faster, until they couldn't see anything but a blur. When the spinning stopped, they found themselves in a different place entirely. They were surrounded by trees, but they looked different than the trees in their backyard. They realized that they had been transported to a different time and place. Excited, Jack and Emily stepped out of the treehouse and started exploring. They discovered that they were in the middle of a forest, but it was unlike any forest they had ever seen. The trees were enormous, with leaves as big as umbrellas. There were strange animals everywhere, like giant lizards and colorful birds. As they walked, they stumbled upon a group of people who looked like they were from a different time. They were wearing funny clothes and speaking a language that Jack and Emily didn't understand. But as they watched, they started to pick up a few words here and there. Over the course of the day, Jack and Emily went on many exciting adventures. They rode on the back of a giant turtle, swam in a crystal-clear river, and even flew on the back of a magical bird. Each time they returned to the treehouse, it spun around and transported them to a new place and time. When it was time to go home, Jack and Emily climbed back down the ladder and ran to their house. They couldn't wait to tell their parents about their incredible adventure in the Magic Treehouse. From that day on, they visited the treehouse every chance they got, exploring new times and places and having the time of their lives.